Hello friends, welcome back to another exclusive update of Spotify Camp Nou. The stadium is finally taking its modern shape, and the transformation inside is simply breathtaking. From stunning interiors to beautifully crafted sections, every corner is showing incredible progress. Stay with us. Today we're taking you inside Camp Nou to see astonishing things you've never seen before. You won't believe the changes happening here. Let's get started and take a closer look at all these amazing transformations. Now here's the good news. At the store Diamond, glass installation looks ready to restart. Suction equipment and panels are prepared on site. Only a few panels remain here as well, and installation could happen very soon. Meanwhile, another prefabricated stand section is being lifted. The third tier keeps filling up steadily and progressing well, facing the lateral zone, one of the most impressive parts of the stadium. 2 new scaffolds have been raised to allow radial beams, which will be added soon. Sandwich panels are progressing, reaching the brackets, while lower concrete panels and elevator gaps are in place. Watching this evolve shows the complexity and scale of construction, and it's remarkable how quickly the stadium takes shape. From a higher vantage point, several beams are being moved along the lateral. A 5th pillar for the compression ring is staged but not yet installed. A concrete pump is active, and workers are busy in this upper section, coordinating beams and radial pieces accurately. The activity is a clear sign that the structural framework is progressing well. In Gol Sur, a concrete pump is positioned again, likely working on the VIP upper floor. A mixer truck just arrived, so activity is ongoing. The stair and elevator structure here looks advanced, with scaffolding removed, likely preparing for panel installation next. This sandwich panel section is almost fully enclosed, just small areas left. Once sheet layers go on, slat supports will follow. Bracket connections are already installed and workers are tightening anchors below, preparing for slat placement. Look at this corner on the right. Now, the sector is fully completed except for the usual 2 or 3 slats between sections. On the left, the lower part is being fitted with a false ceiling. The orange crane is lifting a new slat into position, adding structure to the sector. Other cranes move slats from storage, while workers adjust and secure them. Coordination is impressive, and this corner is starting to look polished. Every slat counts in giving the stadium that final aesthetic touch. Back at the corner, new pillars are staged, including one near the Gol Sur corner. Blue tarps are visible and diagonal beams are in place, ready for anchor installation. Coordination and preparation here are crucial because it supports the structure and aesthetic details that make Spotify Camp Nou unique. Big news in the Tribuna area. The first concrete panels for the elevator structures have officially arrived. Workers are active on elevated platforms and inside the core, applying finishing materials and preparing surfaces. Sandwich panels are expected next in this zone, and they've become a key part of the stadium's visible transformation. Overall, the stadium is transforming at an incredible pace. Every corner, slat, and panel added brings us closer to the full vision. Coordination, planning, and progress here are remarkable, making this update exciting for all fans. That wraps up today's update. The stadium is evolving quickly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss any progress.